Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will share you about experiment of a diode. In this experiment, you will explore the properties and function of a diode. A semiconductor device made from a junction of p-type and p-type material. The diode primarily acts as rectifier, allowing current to flow in one direction while blocking in the opposite direction. We will first understand its basic working principle, characteristic, and structure. Explaining its role in the electrical circuit, then you will perform by step testing to check its functionality using appropriate tools such as a multimeter and determine whether the diode is working condition. That's all.
Okay, first we put this positive probe to the negative probe, and then after that negative probe put the right is the positive probe, and then we berapa this berapa?
10.
We put 1 ohm. So we should connect together.
Connect to mesin yang punya.
Okay, so now we want to identify terminal of the probe. So if you want to recognize it, first we should see the line. If you see the line, we already know this is the terminal of the diode. For your side, if you see the line, this is the cathode and this area is anode. First we should set range 1 ohm. So make sure this is for the left first, and this is for the right first. Okay. We should connect together. Change the side, your side, for the different calculation. Okay, you can see.
To identify the diode, the silver line means cathode and doesn't have line means anode. We use the 1 ohm. First we do a forward bias. The positive probe at anode and negative probe at cathode. After that, we do reverse bias. Reverse bias, negative probe at anode and positive probe at cathode. We get infinity.
This is the diode. To identify, if you see the line is a cathode. If you not see a line, is anode. At multimeter, we use 1 ohm. At the forward bias, we put positive probe to the anode, and we put negative probe to cathode. And you can see result at the multimeter. Next, for reverse bias, we put negative probe to anode. Next, we put positive probe to cathode, and you can see result at the multimeter. and the result is infinity.
So now we want to calculate the short diode. As you see here, at the damage area, this is cathode, and the side is a anode. And multimeter, we use 1 ohm. For the positive, for forward bias, we use the positive probe and negative probe. Positive probe, we should put at the same place at the anode. So we get the zero calculate. For the forward bias, we should change the probe and we put the same place, and we should get the zero ohm too. Yeah. Okay.
And lastly, a conclusion. A diode is a device made from a positive type and negative type materials. It allows current to flow in one direction only, which is called rectification. The anode is the positive side and the cathode is the negative side. Diode testing using multimeter. First, good diode. Forward bias, low resistance, current flow. Reverse bias, high resistance, no current. Second, short diode. Show zero resistance in both direction. Number 3, open diode. Show infinity resistance in both direction. Curve diode behavior. Forward bias current increase after phasing 0.7 volt for silicon. For the reverse bias, almost no current flow until breakdown voltage. Follow safety rules when testing diode to avoid damage or accident. That's all from me. Thank you.